Mr. Smith?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. And each cause number.
Okay, right out the gate, we've got 2 active cases against Brennan Smith. 2 case numbers, 2 charges. Buckle in, this courtroom session is about to unpack a lot. And yes, this is how a real arraignment flows. Fast, formal, and very, very real.
Mr. Smith, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment? State, in cause number 49, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes.
And in cause number 28, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes.
Mr. Smith, did you review the documents entitled court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that you're charged with, in the cause number ending in 49, you're charged with collision involving an injury with a range of punishment, not more than 5 years in TDC or not more than 1 year in the county jail with a possible fine up to $5,000. In the cause number ending in 28, you're charged with evading arrest detention with the vehicle as a 3rd-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere.
Let's break that down. 1 charge is collision involving injury, which is a big deal, especially if there was a hit-and-run element. The other is evading arrest with a vehicle. That's a felony, folks. Not a speeding ticket. Think Fast and Furious, but with serious consequences and no cool soundtrack.
From 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have plea bargains with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering into these plea bargain agreements, you are giving up those rights.
Now pay close attention to this part. The judge is confirming Smith's competency. This isn't just legal routine. If someone isn't mentally fit to understand the charges, the whole case can stall or shift into a psychiatric evaluation. The law doesn't just punish, it has to be fair, too.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe so.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offenses?
I believe so.
Mr. Smith, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishments be assessed at 2 years in the prison. And the cause number.
Waiving the right to appeal. Boom. This is where it gets real. That means Brennan can't challenge the court's decision unless something unusual happened before the trial, like a botched search or a legal technicality. It's like saying, I accept my fate. Think you'd do the same.
Ending in 28, there's a $2,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 49, there's to be restitution payable to Andrew James Branham and Catherine Ann Forshon. And the cases will run concurrently, and the state will take in consideration 2025 CC 001264 and 2025 CC 001262. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
It is.
State?
Yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
None.
And the cause number ending in 49, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
And the cause number ending in 28, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence to support the defendants, please.
In each case, state offers exhibit 1 and attachments.
All right. And state, have you spoken with the complainant?
That I don't know.
All right. You may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state will call in the right to remain silent.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant
Now here's what's interesting. Restitution. This isn't just a fine or prison time. It's money paid directly to the victims, a tangible admission of harm done. It shows that beyond the state's punishment, there's a human cost being acknowledged. This adds weight to the sentencing.
has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. In each cause number, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty in each cause number. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, we are.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Nothing.
All right. And the cause number ending in 49, the court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. Take into consideration 2025 CC 001264, 2025 CC 001262. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 005428. There's to be restitution, if any, to Andrew James Branham, Branham, and Catherine with a C, Anne with an E, Forchion, Forchion. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing under that cause number?
Nothing further.
And cause number ending in 28. As previously stated, the court is finding you.
And there it is. The judge steps out of procedural mode and talks directly to Brennan. This is rare and powerful. It's part reality check, part last chance speech. If this moment doesn't hit you emotionally, rewind and watch it again. Judges aren't just gavel slammers. They're sometimes the only adult voice someone hears in years.
Guilty. The court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 002749. Take in consideration 2025 CC 001262, 2025 CC 001264. And I forgot to ask, is there a need for the therapeutic community for him?
No.
Okay. Did you review, in each cause number, did you review the documents entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each of these cause numbers, because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
20. I just turned 23 days ago.
All right, so here's the thing. You've got yourself in a pickle, right? You're going to have to make better decisions. It's not the end of your life. It's the beginning of your life. If you come out and continue to behave the way you're currently behaving, you're going to find yourself living at somebody's Bexar County jail and at somebody's prison. You understand?
Yes.
When you get out, if you have a problem with sobriety, if prison has been a little bit harder than you think it is, and you need some help with mental health, if I'm still here, you can come back here and I'll find a placement for you, okay?
Thank you.